Okay, so here it is, the concrete bowl, and this is how you make one. It's really simple. You mix or blend some concrete. It can be construction concrete, or personally I used hobby concrete. Same in my world. Then you take any lunchbox that you have for your size of choice, if that's the right term. Then you blend some concrete, and then you keep on doing this thing here, and then you will have to go into infinity, obviously. And you have to have a smaller box. You can have a smaller lunch box or anything. I don't know what I found. I just found a box that was smaller than the lunch box. And then you have to have some weight to push it down, because the concrete wants to push it up. Sort of like the same principles as a bowl in water. And then you just press it down. I used apple cider vinegar. You can use anything you like, and some tape to push it down. Then you wait for about a day for it to harden, for the best results you can possibly get. Vacuum clean it some, paper it some, do some finishing work, use some cloth, wet cloth, and well, as we saw in the beginning, there it is, looking pretty neat, pretty nice, blends in well with the environment. You can have stuff in it, like these things, pens, memory cards, whatever you like. And well, that's how you make a simple concrete bowl. Thanks for watching.